Hi everyone, I'm back with another Christmas DIY. Let me show you how I created this what am I gonna call it? It's I don't know what I'm calling it. All I know is I have the pizza pan from Dollar Tree, some poinsettia and a mirror and some glitter and Mod Podge, a few stickers, and I'm just showing you how I do the centerpiece. It could be put, it's not a centerpiece actually, it's just a display piece. Yeah, a display piece. So it's this is my take on a festive Dollar Tree display piece. Enjoy the holidays, guys. Don't forget, keep smiling and always spread some love.